Good morning, my lovely students. I wanted to just sort of give you a visual walkthrough on what we're going to be doing today. So if you go to your day one folder, you'll see your attendances first, and then you'll see your directions/agenda, okay? And on the directions agenda, it will tell you who is doing which chapters. You may have started these already, but I want you to do it exactly the way that I have it written out. So if you would please use the Schoology discussion board that is linked there. I want you to make sure that you let us know what's happening in the story. By story, I mean what's happening in your chapter of the story in that moment. So you're going to do a beginning sentence, a middle sentence, and an end sentence so that we know who the characters are, what's happening, any interesting details. So essentially you're actually writing 3 sentences, and that's number 1. And then number 2 is that you're going to use the element of author's craft that stands out. So we're talking about metaphor, simile, personification, onomatopoeia, and visual imagery. And those are all of the things that we've been doing in the past few months on this actually on all of our texts. Really, we've been looking at those things on all of our texts. So what you're going to do is make sure that you have all of that in there. So when your post is completed, it should be about 4 sentences. With that number 2, you want to give us the example. Remember the example of author's craft that you are using. So if it is on page 72, you need to tell us metaphor, page 72, paragraph 3, and exactly what that example of metaphor or simile or personification is. If you have any questions during the course of your lesson today, please make sure that you email me immediately and I'll get right back to you. Get this done by 12:30 today because this is only classwork really. If you need to push it into homework, you can do that. Don't work on this past 3 o'clock because you want to make sure that you're keeping yourself to a normal, nice schedule. So get this all done, reach out with questions, and I am available to you. Have a great day.